Hey everyone! In this video, we're diving into BookLikeABoss, a versatile booking platform built to streamline appointments and boost your client experience. Check the description for links. Let's see what it offers. BookLikeABoss is perfect for freelancers, entrepreneurs, coaches, consultants, and small businesses needing simple, professional booking management. It simplifies scheduling, showcases services, handles payments, and client communication, all in one place. Its standout? Customizable booking pages. Create a branded, user-friendly experience for your clients. It supports one-on-one appointments, group sessions, and recurring events, fitting various industries. Display your availability, integrate with Google Calendar, and let clients book in clicks. Automated reminders keep everyone on track. Sell services, packages, and digital products directly on your booking page. Payment integration with PayPal, Stripe, and Square simplifies payments and reduces no-shows. Customize everything from page layout to booking forms, aligning perfectly with your brand. Integrate with Zapier to connect with CRMs and other apps. Plus, it's mobile-friendly for everyone. BookLikeABoss is excellent for professionals needing a comprehensive, easy-to-use platform that acts as a client-facing business hub. Its features, e-commerce integration, and customization make it a top solution. See the links below to explore how BookLikeABoss can simplify your bookings and elevate your business.